Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be doing a weekly memory keeping spread in my A5 wide, or not Orazo, TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. This is the one with the monthly, weekly, and journaling pages. So I'm going to share with you what last week looked like. I may or may not use these. I don't know. We'll see. This is, let me see. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this one right here, let me get this out the way, is from Savannah Paper Co. This one is Christmas prep, and I used it for my spread. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to film it. I was behind on my spreads, but yeah. So this is how that week turned out. So let's share with you what we're going to be using for this week. Let's move this planner out the way. So we're going to be using gingerbread from Sassy Planner Co. I've shared this on my channel before, but I'll share it again, and a few other items. Alrighty, so we're going to be using the glitter headers. We're going to be using the kit. You get your full boxes. You get your date covers and more deco and washi. You get your half and quarter boxes with your labels. You get your weekly checklist, pattern washi. You get your 3 heart checklist, bill pay, weekly habit checkers, and labels, and more labels, excuse me. You get your functional stickers with your weekend banners, your matching icons, your flags, your oh my god, scholar boxes, and you get some labels that say rescheduled, not adulting, not today, canceled, and you get your box, full heart box list or check box list. Oh geez Louise, I haven't had my coffee, so I apologize about that. So all right, also from Sassy Planner Co, I'm going to be using the therapy stickers. We're going to be using the medicine stickers or medication stickers, sleep stickers I believe these are, and taco stickers. If you use Eileen 20, you'll get 20% off, and you'll get my PR, the little sticker sheet, which is so adorable. I love it. Alrighty, and I'm also going to be using Planner Frenzy School and Simulation Planning class stickers. Alrighty, so as always, oh, I wanted to mention that I may or may not be using these bad boys right here. These are overlays from Rose Color Days. I also want to share with you guys my new helpers, the planner duos of amazement. We're going to be using, in case I need it, the tweezers. These are the bent ones. She also has the straight ones from and in case you guys don't know what I mean by bent or straight, I have these. So she does have these in this fashion in the long sense, and then you can have them customized. This is from Sassy Planner Co. And I love how these turned out. And these are from Savannah Paper Co. And so this is the sticker lifter, and it does have her logo at the. You can choose your the color of the vinyl. But as I was saying, for Sassy Planner Co, you can use Eileen 20 to get 20% off, and my PR for you. Alrighty, let us get started. Alrighty guys, full disclosure, future Eileen here. I am not going to be able to finish up this video. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm exhausted. So I'm only going to work on the first part of the week of this page, and then later on I will show you after the next video how everything turned out in my memory spread video. I'll wind up doing one next week. But yeah, the next upcoming video is going to be journaling pages. I hope that you guys enjoy those videos. Comment down below which videos are your favorite: memory spreads, journaling. What else do I do? Weekly plan with me. So let me know which one you like. I'm also thinking about doing my podcast again. I also want to know if you guys like blogs. If you guys still read blogs, let me know in the comments down below. I did do a survey. I only got one answer, but that's okay. I may just do the blog anyways because I do like writing, but we'll figure it out from there. Yeah, so as you can see, we put down the day covers. We actually first wash the day covers, then the half and quarter boxes, school stickers from Planner Frenzy, and of course the gorgeous glitter headers. I'm also going to be adding the pattern washi throughout the spread. We did wind up using the therapy sticker, but then I had to wind up taking it off. Unfortunately, Tuesday morning, we lost power to our building. And normally, this is hilariously funny. Normally, when we call Con Ed, they normally don't come right after we call, or it takes a couple of hours. And my son was coming home, and I just didn't want to have to deal with that. So we wound up staying in a hotel room close to my husband's job. And so that worked out. He's been working nights. And as you can see, we did the rose colored days decorative washi covers. That pen is from Sassy Co. Again, if you use Eileen 20, you got 20% off. That's the reason why I put the day covers up top. I probably should have just stopped there and then just continue with the rest of the video, because I wanted to put the DL stickers on. I like the larger, sometimes a little bit of larger stickers, so I had to pull that one up so that I can show the the decorative washi for those color days. And I also put down the taco night sticker. I also put down the sleep stickers when when I can remember them, or if there's enough room down at the bottom. I'm gonna be writing in the schedule here and there. And so yeah, so like I was saying before, the Con Ed came right after, but we had decided to leave because we didn't want to take the chance. We didn't want to be all night without light, so we just took a hotel. We found a hotel room close to David's job. He called me during his first break, and then came over during his lunch break or dinner break, whatever that is. So I do wind up pulling up the stickers that I had previously to accommodate for the changings of schedule. Yeah, so this is another reason why I normally don't like to pre-plan like this, but if I don't do it this way, then I'll be really behind on my planning, but I'll figure something else. So I have to take off the school sticker, and yeah, for Wednesday, everything pretty much was normal. And